Hello, I'm Josephine Amparado, and this is my course project in Application Lifecycle Management. And I'll be discussing one of the most foundation topics in application lifecycle, how we manage requirements and analyze risk, and why doing it right can make or break a software project. I'll start by explaining why requirements and risks are so important. Then I work through the requirements lifecycle, the process of risk analysis, and how ALM tools tie them together, and the real world benefits. Finally, the key takeaways. Nearly half of all project failures are linked to the poor requirements. Without clear requirements and risk planning, projects face budget overruns, delay, and sometimes complete failure, like the Infers Denver Airport baggage system in 1995, which went 200% over budget due to unclear specs and unmanaged risks. In ALM requires follow a life cycle. First, we elicit them from stakeholders, then we document them clearly. Next, we validate to ensure they're correct. Finally, we maintain traceability, linking each requirement test and code so nothing falls through the tracks. In risk analysis is a structured process. We identify the potential risks, assess them by using matrix, plan mitigate strategies, and monitor them by continuously. For example, a high probability, high impact risk might be key developer leaves. We mitigate that by cross training and documentation. Tools like HPALM and Jira let us connect requirements direct to the identified risks. We can tag high-risk requirements, set up automated alerts, and track everything in real-time dashboards, making sure risk items get extra attention during testing and development. When we manage requirements and risks well, we move from reactive firefighting to proactive control. Change, Changes are tracked, risks are caught earlier, and projects become predictable. This means higher quality software, lower cost, and happier stakeholders. To wrap up this, first, we treat requirements as your project blueprint. Second, embrace risk analysis as a routine practice. Third, use ALM tools to maintain visibility. And finally, remember that linking requirements and risk management is what separates successful project from failed one. And that's all. Thank you.